Front and rear diff.
You have a left?
Yep, and we went. So see how like we're at 20. All right.
You're good here. You're good here. Turn right. Oh, okay. Yeah. That's good.
Woo, Nelly.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, you're good. They say you're good.
Who said I'm good?
On the back. Oh, turn right.
I am all the way right.
What about on that one? Oh, hold on. Just back up a little bit.
Back up?
Oh, hold on. Are you trying to go here?
Yeah, I'm trying to go up.
Here?
Yeah.
And can you, do more. Hold on. Just back up a little bit. Oh, slowly, bro. Slowly. Yeah. It's good. Shit. We made it.
We just unlocked the dips. So it'll lock both. I can lock either the front or the back, or I can lock both. So what happens is that, so like one of my tires was slipping, two of my tires are slipping, so I couldn't get enough traction to make it up.
Good.
Right now we're on all-wheel drive, screw it. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. That way a little bit. All right, hold up. All right, keep going. The big rock, so yep, keep going. Little bit, right there. Slight adjustment. That way. Yep. Go. Give him more gas. All right. Keep going. Okay, that way. You go too fast. Let me guess. You go too fast, bro. So back up. Go for it. There you go. All right. A little bit more. Yeah, but back up like that. A little bit more. Yep. Go back. More. Right there. All right. Now slowly. Right there. Go. Keep going. Yeah, slow. Slow. Yeah. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Fuck.
Keep going. I already measured everything. Keep going. All right. Straighten up. There you go. That's crawling right there. Keep going. Okay, stop. Just, you're good. You're good. Gotta teach this guy how to drift. All right, make sure traction control is off. Right. It's already off. Now press the plus button on the side. See if it doesn't go up. Okay.
Yeah, that's still ready.
So you're on 2 high, sport, and then 2, and then just give it gas. And then after a while, when you start the slide, let go of the gas and then like throttle it. You know what I mean? All right.
Okay, try it.
All right.
Let's go.
Turn harder. When you turn, give it gas. There you go. This guy. You notice when you turning, you give it gas so it gets the back out. Okay, once the back is out, let go of the gas and give it back and forth. You good? All right. Yeah. The other thing you can do is actually pull the e-brake.
Look at your drone.
Oh shit.
My bad.
It's all good.